Namaste, welcome back to the Pragna channel. You are watching AWS Cloud Projects for Beginner to Expert. This was supposed to be the last project in this series, in this playlist, but Cloud Quest team added couple of more projects. That's why you see, I think specifically they added AI related projects. And instead of this going to be 100%, it won't. We still have a couple of projects. I think two more we have. So in this one, we are going to do customer sentiment, but this won't be the end. We still have two more projects. So let's go ahead and first try to do the customer sentiment project, and then we can tackle the other ones. All right, let's see what this project is going to be about. Hey there, remember me from the customer call center? I have another problem I need your help with. Yes, what is the problem? Well, our transcription service is running great. We have translated almost all existing audio files to our archives, and we have started a real-time transcription service to convert ongoing customer calls to text for quality assurance. Now we want to perform analysis on the translated artifacts. We want to understand the customer sentiment from converted text. Interesting. Can you tell me more about how the text files are archived? Also, do you have multiple language requirements? We have a collection of text data in multiple configurations, text files, CSV files, TSV files. The primary language is English, but we plan to expand to other languages. I have a solution. Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing or NLP service that uses machine learning to find meaning and insights in text. Amazon Comprehend also supports a wide variety of languages. I know a little bit about NLP. Can you tell me more about Comprehend? Sure. Using NLP, Comprehend processes any text file in UTF-8 format. It also processes semi-structured documents such as PDF or Word documents. It develops insights by recognizing entities, key phrases, language, sentiments, and other common elements in a document. Awesome. We might use those features in the next project. Now we want to run only sentiment analysis so that we can make improvements to our customer service. Do we need to be natural language processing expert to use Comprehend? No, you don't. After you call the Comprehend API, the service will handle the machine learning required to extract the relevant data from the text. But how do we determine that Comprehend is providing accurate results? The service returns a confidence score for each result. If the service has low confidence in its analysis, it will return a score closer to 0. If the service is highly confident, the score will be closer to 1. Sounds good. I assume this can be automated, similar to transcribe. Yes, you can combine other AWS services with Comprehend to automate the analysis jobs such as usual S3 and Lambda. Good. I want to try Comprehend. Can you help us create demo that automatically performs sentiment analysis on our text files? Sure, why not? Thanks for helping us. Sure, why not? Okay, let's see. This is going to be similar to our previous projects. The only difference is we are going to use comprehend. So let's click start. Let's look at the video concepts, and as usual we are going to have comprehend and everything else old ones. If you haven't watched, I highly recommend you to watch these videos in this playlist that will pop here. Click on the playlist, then go and search with this video title, watch those videos, and then come back here and watch the rest of the project. So the steps, let's look at the steps for this architecture or the project. In these solutions, users upload documents to S3 to start text analysis by using comprehend. Then we'll have comprehend, which uses NLP, natural language processing, to analyze text documents such as customer support tickets, product reviews, emails, and social media feeds. This analysis can be used for product improvements or enhancements to customer support training. NLP is a machine learning technology that gives computers the ability to interpret, manipulate, and comprehend human language. NLP is vital to fully analyze text and speech data efficiently. It can work through the differences in dialects, slang, and grammatical irregularities typical in day-to-day conversations. To start the analysis process for this solution, S3 bucket is configured to send an event notification when a new document is, we already know that. Lambda function then calls the comprehend API. The comprehend processes the text using NLP to extract key phrases, entities, sentiment for further analysis. Then it returns that analysis to Lambda function. Then it will save the analysis to S3 bucket output folder. This supports a wide variety of languages for its various features. Lambda function can be modified to support another language. As part of practice lab, we will use comprehend to analyze text content. Then we'll configure Lambda to make call to comprehend. Then we'll use S3 events to trigger Lambda. And we'll update the Lambda code to run sentiment analysis and French text. And we'll upload a sample file into the S3 bucket, which is similar to others. Not much. Okay, let's go ahead and start okay, so we will have a French file. Let's download it. English file and sample comprehend file. Okay, that is done. Let's go ahead. Let's download, which is done. Let's go to comprehend, launch Amazon comprehend. Then let's click on built-in and copy paste this from the text file that they provided. Then click analyze. And analyze text looks something like this. Like we have a person with that much confidence, then we have some other with that confidence. And you can see the key phrases: Paulo Santos, my credit card account. And then the language, it's English, it's confident one, which is 100%. Personal identifiable information, I guess. Yes, and it's showing the name and whatever it is. Labels, address, name, and date time. Sentiment, it's negative. It read that shipped was mistake, etc. So they were unhappy. Syntax, you can see all those details. Okay, so now that's manual. Let's automate it. We go to Lambda, open that function, configuration, input bucket. Let's change that input and output bucket. Copy it. Why are we copying the input bucket? Code, review scroll, replace whatever that with English. Okay, copy that input text. Okay, we are creating that and I guess we'll paste it that. So instead of triggering, they are testing it from here. It's very random how they are doing these things. Maybe two different people created those projects. One person prefers this way, another person prefers another way, I guess. Then click on the comprehend. No file found, no file matches the provided input S3 URI. What? Okay, they intentionally did something wrong or what? Go to S3, click on the bucket. Oh, there is no folder. We didn't create it yet. Create the folder, give input, create it, click on that, upload the file. Oh, they didn't upload the file yet. Add files. They added a twist to this project. Why are you testing from here again? Oh, that's how they tested it. Never mind. And if you go here, it should succeed. Okay. Click on the output location. We can download it. And it will show you AWS Ashok. Why are they showing it from here? We can totally go to S3 and look at there. That's weird. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, negative sentiment it's showing. And now let's go make it trigger.tsv from S3. Okay, done, customer rev. Okay, I think pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and finish it. Let's kill it. Let's go to comprehend. Launch. So they already have some text. Okay, I don't have to copy paste anything. Built in, click analyze. They already have something like this. As you can see here, persons, organization, and all these types it is identifying. Key phrases, language, English, PII, name, date, routing number, bank account number, sentiment, neutral, target sentiment. What is target sentiment and sentiment? Oh, okay. Neutral, neutral, neutral. What is this? It's just name and all that. And what is this? Syntax, proper noun. Oh, even English they are teaching us. Oh, nice. Add position. Add position. Okay, cool. Application integration. API call, API response. That's how it looks like. This is how you need to make the API call. Got it. So now let's go to Lambda. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Let me go back because we will have to anyway see these jobs, right? Lambda, open it. Click on that. They already provided us with this one. Let's copy that code. They provided a sample here, so let's replace that with this. Copy that. And here the language code, what? English EN. I think that's what they entered. So similar to others, you will get your input from this three event, and then you will pick the bucket name and the object key, and then you will call the comprehend using start sentiment detection job, and you will pass this information, and I think you are printing it, then you are uploading to S3. Pretty much that's it. Let's click test, dummy, delete, paste it, save it, test it. Okay, it says success. That would be weird. I'm trying to change the windows. Okay, here we go. It failed, even though it's saying success. It's not success. Actually, it failed because we didn't provide the file that it needs to use. But still, this one showed success, which is coded incorrectly. So what is happening? Where is this? Okay, here we go. And let's go to our proper bucket, which should be this one. And as you can see, there is no folder called input. Create it, and let's go and let's upload a file. Okay, I uploaded it. Now let's go back to our Lambda, test it. Same thing again, but this time let's see if there is going to be any difference. Let's go to here, and that is in progress. At least this didn't fail. It's in progress. Not sure how long it's going to take. Let's keep on clicking here. Oh, this one is taking some time. While that happens, let's see what else can we see from here. Stop, duplicate, tags, job ID, API response, sentiment detection, job properties. I don't know why this is taking this time. It's simple text. It's not. Most of this has real-time analysis, custom classification, custom entity recognition flywheels. What is this? Automates the training of model versions for custom models. Oh, okay. Endpoints. Endpoints make your custom models available for real time. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, this is still running. So I think the Lambda is just submitting it. It is not waiting for it to finish. For that reason, it's returning success code. So this is not synchronous. This is like asynchronous. So it submits, Lambda submits it and forgets about it. You can again create some logic into the Lambda code wherein you poll for the status and etc. So I will come back once this is finished. All right, it does take longer, but I thought there was something wrong with this, so I triggered another one, but this finished, so it takes 5 minutes. Hmm, seriously? Okay, I think just like the others, I don't think we can see anything here, so we have to go to our bucket, and I think it will create. Uh-oh, are we supposed to create an output directory if it finished? So where did it upload it? Okay, output location. Oh, it created its own bucket. That's what we said. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, it put it here. Maybe that's why it took that long because it has to create permissions and etc. Not sure. That's okay. I think pretty much that's it. So let's go ahead and do the DIY and let's finish this. Input bucket, we already know. So output bucket, I think it is going to use this one. Let me copy it from that and the, okay, sorry. Input bucket name from here. Oh, this is still output buckets. Let's go to buckets and this is the input. Okay, now what they want to use the French file, and this is .csv, and this has to be triggered by the event, our enemy, because triggers were giving issues in each video for us. And what file did you say? .csv. Okay, and let's go here. I don't think it matters what kind of file it is. Is it? Are we hard coding anywhere here? Yeah, I don't think we are. So I think we should be good. Now that is done. So let's go to the input bucket. Input. And let's not create. Let's upload the file. The French file. Let's upload. Yeah, this is going to take some time. But at least we'll see if it is triggering it or not. If it triggers, I guess that should be good enough for us. Yeah, I triggered it right now. 15. It will take at least 6-7 minutes, so I will come back. All right, it is done. So let's go ahead and hit that validate. And the last three projects, the first time we hit that, it never succeeded. So let's hope if this one does. Um, mm, okay. Yep. Even this one, same error. Seriously, what is going on with the trigger? Same error happened all three times. So oh, this is the output bucket. Never mind. Hmm. I don't know why I copied that same bucket. Maybe am I doing the same mistake for all the ones? I don't think so. Let's see. Language code was, oh, you guys might be sitting there and like laughing. Oh, come on. I don't want to wait another 6 minutes. Okay, that's fine. It's my mistake. So I would have to. Now the trigger, let's see if the trigger works this time. If I am uploading the same file again, it is not working properly. So let's try one more time. Okay, I will upload and I will trigger it and I'll come back again. Okay, it's done this time. Let's hope it will work. Don't give me orange again. All right. I think I think it's happening with every project. First time it doesn't, but second time it does. Nice. Okay, that's about comprehend, I guess. So let's go ahead and deliver the news to the customer, and then from there we will do the quiz. That's another hurdle. Okay, why I didn't click on it? Why? Go back. If you remember the last three tests or quizzes, I got two correct out of five. Yes, thank you for help. Nice, good news. Yes, all three I got two out of five questions. I don't know what's going on, but two. I mean, I know why I'm answering incorrectly because I didn't watch those videos. They're asking questions from, I'm assuming, from the video and documentation, which I haven't read yet. So let's see, comprehend if I will be able to answer it correctly this time. I mean, my goal is to score more than two out of five because last three, all three, I scored only two. Yeah, I know, right? So let's do that. I hope you guys are doing better than me because you guys have watched the video. So I am hoping you guys might be winning all three quizzes. So let's go ahead and quickly do this. Okay, I don't know why this is clicking it automatically on the buildings. I'm not clicking on them. So let's zap some drones and finish this one. My goal right now is to score more than two. So I will be careful this time. Which valid sentiment values can be returned when calling the Amazon comprehend? Sentiment, remember, we have seen, okay, this I can answer. Positive, negative, neutral, mixed. And by the way, don't look at my answers. Pause the video, then put your answer, pick your answer, then let's check who's correct. Okay, one. Okay, let's. Which AWS service is a NLP service that uses machine learning to uncover? Yay! Two. Two out of two. Two out of two. Okay, I think I'm confident now. I think this is going to break my curse. Which two new modes does comprehend PII analysis provide? We have seen this. Offsets, labels. I'll pick those two. Entities gone. Oh, correct. Yes. Yes. Three out of three. What is- Three out of three. Yeah, I know you are surprised as well. I mean, I am surprised. Which actions can be performed on documents in comprehend? You can determine sentiment. Do we translate it? No. Analyze syntax. I think you can detect language. Okay. Is this even correct? I don't know. I'll just go with this. And it is wrong. Okay, the final one. Only one document can be provided for analysis. Synchronous invocation operation. Synchronous. Synchronous in the sense whatever we did from lambda, it is asynchronous. Synchronous, I am assuming maybe true, but I don't know. Oh, there is multi-document as well. Okay, so it is false. And yep, I did better than the last time, but I got 3 out of 5. Put my score and your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel by becoming a member. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.